Welcome back to Overheat, Chevrolet Motorhome, 2026. Engines. For larger vehicles, a diesel option may be available for increased performance and efficiency, in addition to a potent V6 or V8 gasoline engine. Transmissions. Designed to provide seamless, effective shifting, a multi-speed automatic transmission will be standard. Drivetrain. Four-wheel drive for WD is an option, but rear-wheel drive or WD is probably going to be the standard. Outside. Design. To increase fuel economy and lessen wind noise. The external design will probably be contemporary and aerodynamic. Construction. Sturdy, lightweight materials will probably be used to build the body. External features include LED exterior lighting, power ladder entry doors, power awnings, sliding or double-hinged windows with shutters, and a sizable, lockable external storage compartment. Inside layout. The interior design of a motorhome will vary based on its size and class, but it usually consists of a kitchenette, bathroom, sleeping area fixed or convertible, and lounging area dinette or sofa. Materials and finishes. The interior will probably have high-quality, long-lasting materials with surfaces, flooring, and upholstery that are simple to clean. Sleeping choices include bunk beds, a convertible bed from the sofa or dinette, or a queen or king-size bed in the main bedroom. Seating area. The dinette and sofa will be made to be comfortable. Kitchenette. The kitchenette will probably have a microwave or convection oven, a refrigerator or freezer of varying capacities, a sink with hot and cold water, and a stove with 2 or 3 burners. Technology and entertainment include a touchscreen infotainment system, TV, internal and exterior speakers, Bluetooth, and smartphone connectivity. Utility and systems. Electrical. The electrical system will consist of an inverter to convert DC electricity to AC, a battery charger, and a house battery to provide power when not linked to an external power source.